Hi boys and girls, welcome back for Phonics, your first small group of today. In Phonics, we listen for sounds and parts of words, and so we want to practice warming up our body listening for rhythm and rhyme. So let's get our body into that rhythm where we hear a beat or a pattern. Yesterday we tried a little bit of a difficult rhythm. Let's try only 2 parts today. We're going to clap once, tap your shoulders once. And repeat. So clap, tap, clap, tap. Say it with me. Clap, tap, clap, tap, clap, tap. Let's try it. Maybe listen first and join in. Clap, tap, clap. Go ahead and try to join in. Clap, tap, clap. Getting that rhythm going. Good. Keeping the same speed. Don't go too fast. Tap. Nice job. That is a rhythm. So we can make rhythm with music instruments. We can even make a rhythm with our body. Yesterday we practiced a rhyme to the song If You're Happy and You Know It. And today, well, let's first start with clapping our hands. So you can sing along with me and clap. We did this yesterday. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, let's try something new today. We touched our nose already. Let's today touch your ears. 2 little touches. You can tap or kind of give it a little tug. And let's sing. If you're happy and you know it, touch your ears. If you're happy and you know it, touch your ears. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, touch your ears. All right, kind of silly. Let's stomp your feet. So instead of touching our ears, we're going to stomp our feet. Make sure you have your feet close to the ground and ready to go. 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Let's get up and get moving. I like this last one. Let's do turn around. So this time we're just going to do 1 turn when it's time. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. Whew. Hopefully you're not too dizzy. You take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and return back to your seated learning spot. Our next activity, I didn't erase from before, is another nursery rhyme. Yesterday we looked at Hickory Dickory Dock. Today we are looking at this new nursery rhyme. I see an animal here. What is this animal? Normally this animal is not this color. It's not black. Normally this animal is white. It is a sheep. Today's nursery rhyme is called Ba Ba Black Sheep. Now, as we say this nursery rhyme, I want you to listen for that beat, because nursery rhymes have a beat or a rhythm and rhyme. Ready? You're just listening. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Hopefully you could hear that beat. Now let's try, and you can sing along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Now, what do you notice? Do you notice anything about this word wool and this word full? Say it with me. Wool, full. Try again. Wool, full. They are rhyming words. They have the same sound at the end. The wool, full. Let's be a little silly. Let's take out this word wool in our song and let's change it to wool, mole. Mole. Try to say that word. Mole. Mole, full. They rhyme, so we can put it in. Try sing with me. We'll just do this first part. Ready? Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any mole? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Full, mole, rhyme. But it sounds kind of silly. Let's change mole to mole, toll. Toll, full, toll. It's kind of weird. Toll, full, toll. Give it a try. We're going to try to make it rhyme. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any toll? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. That was kind of tough. Can you think of a rhyming word? Something that rhymes with full? And then we'll sing the song with your word? Well, that was kind of silly. Silly songs. But I had fun singing Ba Ba Black Sheep with you today. Our last activity in phonics is saying our alphabet. Remember, we need to slow down. The alphabet song goes way too fast for me. So we're going to say the alphabet nice and slow. We're going to clap so that we pause, take a breath before we say the letters. We want to say them nice and clear. Listen first, and then the next time you can sing with me. I have to sneeze. But let's give it a try. I just realized the sneeze got to my brain. We didn't talk about this like we did yesterday. Remind me, what are these? Are they letters or are they numbers? They are letters. What do you notice about these letters? Maybe you said some of them are red. A, E, I, O, U. Those letters are red. Maybe you were thinking some of these letters are black. There's a lot of black letters. There's something I noticed about all of these letters. They're all smaller. They are all lowercase letters. You might know there's uppercase letters and there's lowercase letters. These are lowercase letters. Now we got through that. Let's say our alphabet song nice and slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you listened that time. And now let's do it again with you saying the letters nice and slow. It's hard to say it nice and slow. Practice. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you say them nice and slow? If not, we can try it again. It takes a lot of practice. I hope you had fun in phonics today with our rhythm and our rhyme.